What's up guys, back with some more MOCs for the Lego police station I made, that came as a set. But these are my MOC vehicles for them. My police outfit, I've got another one, that's in this one. I've used the same style of truck for my small ones. So got some stuff in there, like knives and stuff that have been caught off the prisoners that have been just left in because there's no storage. And then got this. Let's look at Unit 8, what you take out. Got a gun, flashlight, cup of the coffee, because cops love coffee, and donuts. And then this is my beach one, so this will go at the beach. Got some money. That will go in a safe. Got an SUV. This will go down by where there's going to be some buildings there, just empty for the time being. This is going to be neighbourhood patrol and high speed unit. Sticker's a bit worn on that, and then this is my undercover cop car. That's basically it. And this has got its own computer, and so if I'm on a call or something like that, I can access all the information. This is just a normal, but a dash for the information. That's basically it. Peace.